Welcome to the DX Infrastructure Management Unified Management Portal Installation and Upgrade video. For the remainder of this video, we will refer to the Unified Management Portal as UMP. During this video, you will be presented with the steps taken to upgrade the UMP 9.1.0, which was shipped with UIM 9 Service Pack 1. The Unified Management Portal, or UMP, presents the performance and availability data that UIM collects. UMP contains several modules, which are known as portlets. Some of the key portlets include the following: Account Admin for managing accounts and users, Unified Service Manager for visualizing and organizing your infrastructure, Dashboard Designer for creating and editing custom dashboards, and SLM for creating, monitoring, and validating SLAs for internal or external customers. This diagram shows the high-level steps for UMP installation. First, you will verify prerequisites. Next, you need to deploy the robot to the UMP server. After that, you need to set up Windows authentication in the UMP. Next, download the UMP install package to the primary hub server, and then run the UMP installer from the primary hub server. To verify the installation, log into the UMP. Verify that you are prepared to upgrade UMP by completing all of the following tasks. Do not continue with the upgrade until all these tasks are complete. Verify your upgrade path. Ensure that you follow a supported upgrade path. You can upgrade to the UMP 9 Service Pack 1 from an existing UMP 9.0.2 environment. View the compatibility matrix and review the supported upgrade paths section. Backup the system. Backup your system and database. UMP version 7.5 and later use the new version of LifeRay that modifies the database during the upgrade. Backup any customized files in the root web app directory. During the upgrade, the directory ump_installation/nimsoft/probes/service/wasp/webapps/root/ is overwritten. If you have customized any of the files in this directory, back them up before upgrading. Import custom LAR files. If you created custom pages, you do not need to migrate them unless you exported them to LAR files. Pages and users are automatically migrated. LAR files are not. If you exported custom pages as LAR files, manually import the custom LAR files before upgrading. Configure robot.cfg. The UIM server installer creates a .pem file, certificate.pem, in the nimsoft/security folder. The .pem file is a symmetric key that is shared with the required robots, which is then used for communication with the data_engine probe. You copy this .pem file to the remote UMP, UR, and CABI robots, and provide the location of the file in the robot.cfg file. Upgrading in secure setup. If you are upgrading UMP in a secure setup, UIM 9 SP1, ensure that you bring your UMP robot to the secure state by deploying the appropriate certificates and then updating the robot version to 9.10s. After that, you upgrade UMP. Previously, we installed the UIM server on the UIM server host. We also installed the UIM robot on the UMP server host. This was required so that the UMP server host will appear in the target host selection list during our installation of the UMP. To begin, we will execute the install UMP exe application file. When the language selection dialog appears, select the preferred language and click OK. At the Installation Introduction screen, after reviewing the text, click Next to continue. To accept the previously identified installation folder, click Next. When the authentication screen appears, enter the administrator password and click Next. On the Select Robot screen, you need to select the UMP server from the list. However, in our scenario, since we are upgrading from an earlier version, the installer identifies the existing instance and prompts to upgrade the UMP 9.1.0. Select Upgrade to UMP and click Next. The installer prompts you to back up your system. We recommend you back up before commencing on the upgrade. The installation will now show the system meets the requirements for the UMP once the verification is complete. When the Verify Probe screen appears, confirm the location of each probe and click Next to continue. When the Select HTTP/AJP ports screen appears, update the values as needed. The default port is 80 and the AJP DMZ port is 8009. Once the value has been set, click Next. To continue, for this installation, we will create a shortcut on the desktop. Review the displayed information and then click Install. When the installation progress screen indicates that all stages of the installation were successful, click Next. Review the Install Complete screen for the results summary. To verify the UMP installation was successful, open the UMP user interface. To open the interface, we will open a browser and connect to the UMP URL. When the UMP sign-in page appears, enter the administrator ID and password and click Sign In. The UMP user interface indicates the UMP installation was successful. Thank you for watching this video. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.